Hey, can you describe your entire day in English without stopping? From the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed? No translating, no long pauses, just natural English.
If that feels difficult, you're not alone. Many learners know the vocabulary, but when it's time to talk about real life, they freeze.
Yes, so today we're going to fix that. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to describe your daily routine clearly and confidently. Stay with us. Your normal day is about to become powerful English practice. Let's begin. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Conversation podcast, where learning is easy and fun. I'm Jessica.
Hi, Jessica. Hello, everyone. It's so wonderful to see you all again. I'm very happy today because the sun is shining and I'm ready to talk.
I'm happy too, Alex. You look super energetic today. Did you have a good sleep?
I did. I slept like a baby. But Jessica, I'm also excited about our new format with these animated stories.
Oh, yes, we're trying something new. We have fun animated stories now. Everyone, what do you think of them? Are they helping you learn easier?
Yes, please tell us in the comments. Do you like the animations? Is it more fun this way? We really want to hear from you.
It helps us a lot. But wait, Alex, before we listen to today's story, we have to ask for a small favor.
Oh, you're right. Everyone, if you enjoy our chats, please click that like button right now. It's a big help for us. And don't forget to subscribe. We have new episodes every week, and we don't want you to miss any.
Yes, and if you have a friend learning English, share this with them. Learning with friends is always better.
Okay, I think we're ready. Today, we're going to listen to a story about a person's daily routine. It's simple, but full of great English words. Let's listen for the first time.
Every day, I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I usually feel a little sleepy, but I try to start my day with a positive attitude. After I wake up, I make my bed. It only takes a few minutes, and it makes my room look organized. Then I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. I like to feel fresh and clean before breakfast. I usually have a simple breakfast. I eat toast and eggs and drink a cup of coffee. After breakfast, I get dressed for work. I choose comfortable clothes. I leave home at 8 a.m. I usually drive to work. I start working at 9 a.m. I answer emails and talk to my colleagues. At noon, I take a lunch break. I usually eat a healthy meal. After work, I like to exercise. It helps me feel strong and relaxed. At night, I read a book for a few minutes. Then I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. This is my daily routine. Wow, she is very organized.
6:30 in the morning. That's very early for me, Jessica.
Is it? I think 6:30 is a good time. But Alex, did you hear how she starts? She says, I wake up. Some people say, I get up too. Is there a difference?
That's a great question. Wake up is when you open your eyes. You're not sleeping anymore. But get up is when you actually leave the bed.
Ah, so I wake up at 7, but I usually get up at 7:15 because I like to stay in my warm bed for a few minutes.
Me too, especially when it's cold outside. She also said she feels sleepy. Sleepy, I love that word. It's like you're halfway between sleeping and waking. You just want more coffee.
Exactly, but she tries to have a positive attitude. That means she thinks good thoughts to start the day.
That's so important. If you start happy, the whole day is better. And then she does something responsible. I make my bed.
Oh no, Alex, I have a confession.
What is it?
I don't always make my bed. Sometimes I'm in a hurry and leave the blankets everywhere.
Jessica, really?
She says it makes the room look organized. It's true. When the bed is made, everything looks clean. When I don't, my room looks like a hurricane visited it.
A hurricane? That's a funny image.
Well, then she goes to the bathroom to brush her teeth. We all do that, I hope. She wants to feel fresh and clean.
Fresh, that's a lovely word. Like a new apple or a cool breeze. And then comes my favorite part, breakfast.
She eats toast and eggs, classic breakfast, and coffee. We have that in common. I cannot speak English without my coffee.
I know that's true. One time I came without coffee and I was so quiet, like a statue. But then Jessica found some and I started talking non-stop. It was like magic.
Okay, so after breakfast, she gets dressed. She chooses comfortable clothes.
I like that. I don't like tight clothes for work. I like to feel relaxed.
Me too. But Alex, how long does it take you to get dressed?
Maybe 10 minutes, but sometimes I have problems. Last week, I was sleepy and put on mismatched socks, one black, one gray. I didn't notice until lunch.
No way, that's hilarious. At least you were comfortable.
Exactly. So she leaves home at 8 a.m. and drives to work.
Drive to work. Some people take the bus or walk. I usually take the metro. It's fast and I listen to podcasts.
I walk when I can. Good for my legs. And then work starts at 9 a.m. She answers emails and talks to her colleagues.
Colleagues, that's a useful word for beginners. It just means people you work with, your work friends.
Yes, I like my colleagues. We tell jokes and it makes the day go faster.
Then she says, at noon. Do you know what noon is, Alex?
Of course, noon is 12, middle of the day, lunchtime.
Yes, she takes a lunch break and eats a healthy meal, like salad or fruit. Good for your body.
Pizza is okay sometimes. Not very healthy, but delicious.
While after work, she exercises. It helps her feel strong and relaxed.
I love that. When I exercise, I have more energy for the evening.
I agree. I go for a run or yoga. It clears my mind after emails.
Exactly. And her evening is quiet. She reads a book. Reading is great to end the day. Better than phone screens.
Much better. The light from phones makes it hard to sleep.
And she goes to bed at 10:30 p.m. Good time. She gets 8 hours of sleep. That's why she has a positive attitude.
Sleep is the secret. Wow, we're talking a lot. If you're still listening, comment the word routine below.
Yes, write routine so we know you're part of our English family.
Smiles. Alex, I have a small surprise for you.
A surprise? I love surprises. What is it?
You said you walk to work, but I saw you on a bike yesterday.
Oh, you saw me? Yes, I'm trying to exercise more, like in the story.
That's great, but you were wearing a super bright green helmet.
Yes, safety first helmet. It's very green, isn't it?
I saw you from far away. At least cars can see you. No accidents for Alex.
Safety is important. Okay, so we looked at wake up, get up, make the bed for organization.
Then breakfast, getting dressed for work.
Don't forget colleagues, noon, lunch break.
And finally, exercising and reading before bed. It sounds like a perfect, simple day.
It does. My routine is a bit different, but the words are the same. That's the best thing about English. You can use them for your own life.
Yes, and speaking of routines, it's almost time to finish. Time flies when we're having fun.
It really does. But before we go, we want to hear from you. What's your daily routine? What time do you wake up? Do you make your bed every morning, or are you like me?
Please tell us in the comments. We love reading about your lives.
And if you haven't already, subscribe and give this a big thumbs up.
Thank you so much for listening today. You're all doing a great job with your English.
Yes, keep practicing every day. Even a little bit is a big victory.
Okay, listeners, since you're still here and we have so much energy left, let's not stop at just one story. Today, we're going extra long because routines are different for everyone, right? Some people are morning people, some are night owls, some work from home, some have kids, some travel a lot. So let's make this episode bigger. We'll add more vocabulary, more real-life situations, and even talk about how routines change on weekends or when something unexpected happens.
Great idea. First, let's think about what happens when the routine gets broken. For example, what if your alarm doesn't go off? Or if you have a late night and feel like a zombie?
Oh, I know that feeling too well. Last month, I had a birthday party for my friend and got home at 2 a.m. The next morning, my alarm rang at 7, but my body said nope. I hit snooze 5 times.
5 times? That's impressive. Most people do 3 and feel guilty. What did you do eventually?
I finally dragged myself out of bed around 8:30. No time to make the bed, no proper breakfast, just grabbed a banana and ran to the metro. I was late to a meeting and felt awful all day. Lesson learned, sometimes sleep is more important than sticking to the schedule perfectly.
Totally agree. That's why we say listen to your body. But let's go back to vocabulary. When you hit snooze, you're delaying getting up. Another useful phrase, I overslept. It means you slept longer than planned.
Yes, I overslept by an hour, or I overslept and missed my train. Very common excuse at work. Okay, let's imagine a different routine. What about people who work from home? Their day looks completely different.
Right. Let's create a quick story together. I'll start. Alex. Every day I wake up at 7:45. No need to rush because my office is my living room. I feel a bit groggy, so I stretch in bed for 5.
Okay, everyone, let's jump right in. Today we're talking about something super important for anyone learning English or trying to improve in life, self-discipline. It's the power to do what you need to do even when you don't feel like it.
Exactly. Motivation is nice. It gives you a big push at the beginning. But self-discipline, that's what keeps you going when motivation disappears. Like when it's raining and you promised yourself to study English for 30 minutes, but Netflix is calling your name.
Haha, yes. Many people wait for motivation. I'll study when I feel inspired. But the truth is, motivation comes and goes. Self-discipline stays. It's like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets.
I love that comparison. So let's break it down. What does self-discipline really mean in simple words?
Self-discipline means choosing what is right for your future, even when it's hard right now. For example, saying no to junk food because you want to feel healthy, or waking up early to practice English because you want to speak fluently one day.
Good one. Another way, it's doing the boring things consistently, not waiting for the perfect mood, just showing up every day.
Yes, and here's a key idea. Self-discipline beats talent when talent doesn't have discipline. You can be super smart, but if you don't practice, nothing happens. Discipline turns small actions into big results.
Totally. Think about learning English. Some people are naturally good at languages, but if they don't study regularly, they forget. Someone with average talent but strong discipline, they improve fast.
Right. So how do we build it? Let's start with small steps. Don't try to change everything at once. That's a common mistake.
Yes, start tiny, like commit to 5 minutes of English every morning. Read one page, watch one short video, repeat 5 new words. Tiny wins build confidence.
And use the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it right away. Make your bed? Do it. Drink a glass of water? Do it. These small things train your brain to act without thinking too much.
Great tip. Another one, create a routine. Put English practice at the same time every day, after breakfast or before bed. When it's part of your day, it becomes automatic.
Habit stacking works well too. Attach new habit to an old one. For example, after brushing your teeth, do 10 minutes of vocabulary. Your brain connects them.
Yes, and remove temptations. If you want to study without distractions, put your phone in another room. Make it hard to be lazy.
Exactly. Environment matters a lot. Set up your desk with books, notebook, no snacks nearby. Make discipline easy.
Now, what about when you feel lazy? Everyone has those days.
First, acknowledge it. Say to yourself, okay, I feel lazy right now, but I don't have to feel motivated to start. Just start for 5 minutes. Usually, once you begin, momentum kicks in.
Momentum is magic. The hardest part is starting. After that, it's easier to continue.
Another trick is the never miss twice rule. If you skip one day, okay, but never skip 2 days in a row. That keeps the streak alive.
Love that. It prevents small breaks from becoming long breaks.
Also, find your why. Why do you want to learn English? Travel? Better job? Talk to family abroad? When you remember your big reason, it's easier to push through hard days.
Yes, write it down. Put it on your wall or phone wallpaper. Look at it when you feel weak.
And reward yourself. After a week of consistent practice, treat yourself. Ice cream, movie, new book. Positive reinforcement helps.
But don't reward too much with bad habits. Like, don't say, I studied, now I can eat junk. Better, I studied, now I can relax with music.
Good point. Now let's talk about rest. Self-discipline includes knowing when to rest.
True, burnout kills discipline. If you're tired, take a break. Sleep well, eat good food, move your body. A rested person has more willpower.
Willpower is like a battery. It gets low during the day. Use it for important things in the morning when it's full.
Smart. Morning people often get more done because their discipline battery is charged.
Let's share some personal stories. Alex, tell us about a time discipline helped you.
Sure. Last year, I wanted to run a 10K race. I hated running at first, but I committed to 3 runs a week, no excuses. Rain, tired, busy, I went. After 3 months, I finished the race. It wasn't motivation, it was discipline. And now I love running.
Amazing. For me, it was English speaking. I was shy, afraid of mistakes, but I promised myself, speak English 15 minutes every day, even alone. I talked to myself, recorded, listened. Now I feel confident. Discipline changed me.
See, small, consistent actions lead to big confidence.
Vocabulary time. Let's learn some useful words and phrases.
Self-discipline, controlling yourself to do what's important.
Consistency, doing something regularly.
Willpower, the ability to resist short-term temptations.
Habit, something you do automatically.
Procrastinate, delay doing something.
Momentum, when things get easier after you start.
Accountability, telling someone your goals so they check on you.
Delayed gratification, waiting for bigger reward later.
Grit, continuing even when it's hard.
Phrases to use. I need to push through this.
Just start for 5 minutes.
Discipline over motivation.
Small steps every day.
I choose my future over my feelings.
I'm building the habit.
Great list. Now imagine a short story to practice. Every morning, I wake up and feel tired, but I remember my goal, speak English fluently. So I get up, make coffee, and sit with my notebook. I practice for 20 minutes. Some days it's easy, some days it's hard, but I do it anyway. After 1 month, I notice improvement. Words come faster. I feel proud. Self-discipline made it happen.
One day I wanted to skip. I was busy at work, but I said, no, just 10 minutes. I did it. That small choice kept my streak. Now I can't imagine skipping. It's part of who I am.
Beautiful. Listeners, try this. Describe your own small goal and how discipline can help you reach it. Use the phrases we learned.
And if you feel lazy tomorrow, remember, motivation is a visitor, discipline is a friend who stays.
Another tip is track your progress. Use a calendar, mark X every day you practice. Don't break the chain.
Yes, the Jerry Seinfeld method. Don't break the chain of daily practice.
Surround yourself with positive people. Join English groups. Tell your friends your goals. Accountability helps a lot.
And forgive yourself if you slip. One bad day doesn't ruin everything. Get back on track tomorrow.
Self-discipline is kind to yourself too. It's not punishment, it's love for your future self.
Deep but true.
Let's add more ideas. Visualize success. Close your eyes, see yourself speaking English perfectly, getting that job, traveling. It motivates your brain.
Affirmations help. Say, I am disciplined. I do hard things. I improve every day.
Even if you don't believe it at first, repeat it. Your mind starts to agree.
And break big goals into tiny tasks. Want to read a book in English? Start with 1 page a day.
Yes, big goals scare us. Small tasks feel doable.
Celebrate wins. Finished a week? Say good job to yourself.
Now, common excuses and how to beat them.
I'm too tired. Reply, do a short session. Energy often comes after starting.
I don't have time. Reply, everyone has 10 minutes. Cut scrolling.
It's boring. Reply, make it fun. Use apps, songs, videos.
I'll do it tomorrow. Reply, tomorrow is today for someone else. Do it now.
Perfect.
Remember, self-discipline grows like a plant. Water it daily with small actions.
And patience. Results take time, but they come.
So, listeners, what's one small disciplined action you'll take today for your English? Comment below.
And if this episode helped, share it with a friend who needs motivation.
Keep going. You're building something amazing.
Discipline today equals freedom tomorrow.
See you next time, but more importantly, see you practicing tomorrow.